Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Plan Nest. In this video, I'm going to explain a compact and modern east-facing duplex house plan for 30 by 34 feet plot. We will first see the ground floor plan, then first floor plan, and then finally we look at the 3D elevation design of this house. If you are planning a small modern home in city plot, this design will be very useful for you. Let us start with the ground floor plan. The total plot area is 1020 square feet and build-up area on the ground floor is about 860 square feet. On this floor, we have a portico or car parking, a spacious hall, uh, kitchen with dining, and one master bedroom, one common toilet. Uh, Main door and car entry are same from east side. So the house faces the road on the east. When you enter from the gate, first you reach the portico or car parking. This area is 10 feet 6 inch by 14 feet 6 inches. So it's comfortable for a parking and a car and also has some walking space. From the portico, the main door opens into the hall. The hall size is 16 by 16. Because of the big size, you can arrange seating for guest, a TV unit, and maybe even a small study corner. The hall is a central living space for the family. Also, this is a high ceiling concept. Northern side there is a double ceiling one. Near the hall we have a puja room area. So daily prayers can be done easily without disturbing other rooms. The staircase to the first floor is also connected from this hall, placed in the middle of the house for easy circulation. Next, we have the kitchen cum dining area. The size of this room is 16 feet by 11 feet. In this combined layout, one side can be used for the kitchen platform, sink and stove, and the other side can be used for dining table. This makes serving food simple and keeps the family together while cooking and eating. The ground floor also has a master bedroom. The bedroom size is like 8 feet 9 inch by 11 feet. It is suitable for parents or elders because they can stay on the ground floor itself without climbing stairs. There is a passage near the bedroom leading to the common toilet. The toilet size is like 4 feet 6 inches by 6 feet, which is enough for basic fittings with WC and shower. Guests can also use this common toilet without entering the private bedroom. Now let us move to the first floor. The first floor build-up area is again 860 square feet, almost same as the ground floor. On this floor, we have one master bedroom with the dressing and attached toilet, one kids bedroom, another toilet and a front balcony and a high ceiling area above the part of the hall. There is also a small headroom area on top, which can be used for overhead tank access or storage. When you come to the up the stairs, you reach a small passage of 7 feet 3 inch by 5 feet 6 inches. From this passage, you can enter the master bedroom, kids bedroom, balcony, and toilet. The master bedroom on the first floor is like 11 by 16. This is the main bedroom for the owners of the house. This is enough space. There is enough space for king side bed, wardrobes, TV, and the small seating area. Attached to this bedroom, we have a dressing area of 5 by 3 feet 9 inches. This dressing connects directly to the attached toilet of 5 feet by 8 feet. This arrangement gives privacy and comfort for the couple staying in this room. On the other side of the passage, there is a kids' bedroom. The size of the room is 11 feet by 6 inch by 11 feet. Two children can easily share this room with the space for beds, wardrobes, and study tables. Near the kids' bedroom, there is an attached or nearby toilet of 4 feet by 7 feet 6 inches. This toilet is also placed close to the passages, so it can be used by guests staying upstairs. At the front of the first floor, you can see the street-facing balcony. This balcony is 16 feet 3 inch by 3 feet. From here, you can enjoy the morning sunlight and view of the road, and you can also place some chairs on plants. Now, an important feature of this house is a high ceiling area. Above part of the hall, the first floor is kept open, so the hall becomes a double ceiling height space. This high ceiling makes the living area look more grand, allows more natural light, and improves air circulation. There is also an OTS or open to sky shaft near the stairs. This shaft brings daylight and fresh air into the internal space, especially around the staircase and toilet. So combining both floors, this house has two master bedroom and one on each floor. One kids bedroom, three toilets in total, a big hall, kitchen with the dining, front balcony, a portico for car parking, and a high ceiling living space. Total build-up area for both floor is together is 1,720 square feet. The plan is suitable for a small to medium-sized family who wants comfort, privacy, and modern style in compact city plot. Because the house faces east, the main door and hall receive good morning light, which many families prefer. Now let us look at the 3D elevation design of this house. This is a clean and modern elevation with the straight lines and a flat roof style. Uh, the main colors used are light gray, dark gray, and white, which gives a bold and stylish look. At the ground level, you can see a simple compound wall with a modern gate and a small garden bed on the side. The portico area for car parking is clearly visible, and plots are provided under the slab for a premium feel at night. On the first floor, the balcony has a glass railing, which matches the current modern trends and makes the building look like light and open. There are recessed light in the balcony ceiling to highlight the front space. On the left side, there is a tall vertical frame element in the dark color with the lights and wooden finished vertical panels. This features breaks the box shape and adds the richness to the elevation. At the top, a small terrace portion with the planters adds the greenery and makes the facade more lively. Overall, the elevation is simple to construct but looks very attractive, especially for narrow city plots. So, friends, this is our complete explanation of the east-facing 30 by 34 feet duplex house with the modern two-story elevation. If you like this plan and elevation, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Plan Nest, for more beautiful house plans and designs. You can also check out our website, House Plans and Designs, and houseplans.world. Also, check out our apps, which is available on the Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest, and Design Nest. If you need any plan like this, you can contact us through our WhatsApp. Number is available in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching.